In this video we are going to explore top 10 animals with short lifespan. So before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alterations to an animal's metabolism, brain-to-body ratio, habitat, and the presence of many other unknown elements are all known to have an effect on its lifespan. Some organisms have a lifespan of more than 150 years, while others barely make it through a few hours. Here are 10 shortest living animals in the world. Let's start with Number 10. Domestic rabbits, 8 to 12 years. There is one species of the little mammal known as the rabbit, and it can be discovered in a variety of locations all around the world. Domestic rabbits can live anywhere from 8 to 12 years on average, making their lifespan somewhat variable. They are available in a wide range of sizes, colors, and forms to choose from. Sadly, though, this lovely species only lives for a few years at the most. Domestic rabbits are susceptible to a variety of diseases, the most prevalent of which are those that affect the buildup of fat and the uterus, respectively. The likelihood of these diseases affecting male rabbits is lower than the likelihood of them affecting female rabbits. They are in immediate danger of passing away if they do not receive timely medical attention and adequate sustenance. Rabbits are susceptible to a wide range of health problems that can be brought on by eating an excessive amount of fruits and vegetables, particularly roots. Additionally, it is required of them that they drink a substantial amount of water on a daily basis. Rabbits are known for being wonderful parents thanks to the fact that they only have a relatively brief lifespan. Number 9. Guinea pigs, 4 years. Guinea pigs are native to South Africa, and apart from their appealing sweetness, they are also known for their outgoing and social attitude. Their lifespan is only 4 years, which is a rather regrettable limitation considering how short it is. Guinea pigs have a significant risk of contracting a wide variety of diseases due to their susceptibility. This cute little animal has to be fed at regular intervals throughout the day in order to keep it healthy. It is an absolute requirement for guinea pig owners to take their pets to the veterinarian at the right intervals. If they receive the proper level of care throughout their lives, guinea pigs have the ability to survive for up to 4 years. Guinea pigs face a high risk of contracting a number of infectious diseases, including scurvy, pneumonia, and bumblefoot. However, it is extremely difficult to keep these diseases at bay. Number 8. Mosquito fish, 2 years. A mosquito fish is the common name for one of the species of freshwater fish that are found naturally in the United States. It's possible that they only have a lifespan of 2 years at most. On the other hand, mosquito fishes that are kept in fresh water for their entire lives have a much shorter lifespan than those that are kept in captivity. Furthermore, the longevity of female fishes is marginally superior to that of male fishes. In spite of the fact that their lifespan is considerably shortened by the environment, mosquito fishes are able to exist in saline water and reproduce successfully there. Mostly as a result of the fact that certain predatory fishes cannot live in salt water and therefore cannot be found there. Number 7. Chameleon, 1 year. As a result of their short lives, panther chameleons only live for a single year. It is a well-known fact that the lifespan of the panther chameleon is the shortest of any other member of the chameleon family as well as any other family of reptiles. The panther chameleon's natural habitat is in the northern and eastern parts of Madagascar on the island of Madagascar. They participate in quick mating activity as a result of the fact that they have a shorter lifetime than other animals. It is noteworthy to note that all of the adult chameleons disappear right before the young of the next generation emerge from their nests and start their lives as independent animals. The capacity of chameleons to rapidly alter their appearance is the characteristic that attracts the most attention to these animals. They are hence able to blend in perfectly with the natural environment in which they find themselves. The majority of the food that chameleons consume consists of insects, notably crickets and worms. Number 6. House mouse, 1 year. A house mouse will typically live for a span of 1 year during its lifetime. On the other hand, they are susceptible to being poisoned at any time and can be killed by animals that prey on them, such as cats. When they are young, house rats are especially susceptible to a wide variety of health problems. This vulnerability persists throughout their lives. In addition to having a shorter lifetime, they also have a higher reproductive rate than other animals do.
Number 5. Dragonfly, 4 months. There are something in the neighborhood of 5,000 different species of dragonflies that can be discovered all over the world. In their whole lives, dragonflies have been known to survive for a maximum of 4 months at a time. However, the majority of dragonflies won't live for very long because spiders, birds, lizards, and frogs are able to consume them very quickly. This shortens their lifespan significantly. They are unable to develop from their larval stage into a dragonfly because there is a lot of wind and other severe weather conditions. This prevents them from making the transition from their larval stage. Once they have finished their time as larvae, dragonflies are unable to fly very quickly once they have emerged from their cocoons. Because of this, in comparison to birds and reptiles, they have a comparatively high rate of consumption. They are also unable to survive for prolonged periods of time in surroundings that are significantly cooler. Number 4. Houseflies, 4 weeks.
Flies are one of the most unpleasant insects that can be discovered inside of your home, and houseflies are the sort that are found inside of homes the most commonly. In the animal kingdom, houseflies have one of the shortest lifespans because they only live for a total of 4 weeks. This makes them one of the most common pests. The average lifespan of houseflies that reside in human environments is almost 3 times longer than the average lifespan of houseflies that reside in natural environments. Female houseflies have the potential to lay up to 1,000 eggs during the course of their very short life cycles.
Number 3. Drone ants, 3 weeks.
Drone ants are the term that is used to refer to the male members of an ant colony. They are the only ones who have a cycle of life that lasts for a total of 3 weeks.
Drone ants are characterized by a slothful disposition, and they exert very little effort in their daily activities. In most cases, the female ants are the ones who establish new ant colonies. It is noteworthy to observe that drone ants died off really soon after mating with female ants, which explains the phenomenon. Despite having a shorter life cycle than other species of ants, drone ants are crucial to the continuous existence of ant colonies because of the function they play in maintaining the colonies. Number 2. Gastritrix, 3 days.
Gastritrix are a type of marine microorganism that can be discovered in marine environments.
Other types of marine microorganisms include:
as they mature, they have the potential to grow to a length of 3 millimeters at their greatest size. Only 3 days are required for the completion of the life cycle of the gastritrix. Gastritrix have bodies that are transparent and swim in the same direction as the currents while they are in the water. Gastritrix have the ability to attach themselves to other bodies of water by utilizing the hundreds of adhesive tubes that are present on the lowest half of their bodies. Gastritrix are able to engage in sexual reproduction due to the presence of both male and female reproductive organs within their bodies.
Number 1.
Mayflies, 24 hours. Mayflies have the shortest life expectancy of any species that lives on our planet. Their existence does not extend beyond the span of a single day. Mayflies have such a brief life cycle that they are often referred to as one-day insects.
This is owing to the fact that they only live for 1 day. There are around 2,500 distinct species of mayflies that can be found all over the world.
In point of fact, the average lifespan of a member of the mayfly family is only a few short hours. The majority of a mayfly's life is spent in the stage of its development known as the nymph stage. Mayflies exist solely for the purpose of reproducing, as this is their only reason for being. In the short time they have left, they congregate with others to form groups and dance together on any surface they can find. If you know any other animal apart from them who has such a short life, tell them in the comments. Also share your thoughts on this video. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.